Okay, let's talk about the Pocket Wizard. At this point, they're a pretty old piece of equipment, but they're very reliable units, so you do still see them from time to time. I'm going to be needing a PC sync cable to 3.5mm mini jack. I'm going to be needing a mini jack to mini jack cable and a 1/4 inch adapter for the particular flash pack that I'm going to be using. So the benefit of choosing two older Pocket Wizards at this point in time is the fact that they would work with any camera. This Pocket Wizard model is very simple, which is all we need for syncing a camera with flash. It has just an on switch, a choice of 10 channels, a test button, and a mini jack combination input and output. So to connect to the camera, I simply plug into the input of the Pocket Wizard and connect the other end of the cable to the PC jack of the camera. Now I'm going to turn on the second identical transceiver and set it to the same channel as the first unit. Then I will connect it to my flash by going from the mini jack to the 1/4 inch jack that my flash pack needs. Now we're ready to go. The camera's firing and it's syncing correctly with the flash. Most cameras have a working hot shoe, in which case the PC sync cable would not be necessary. With simple sync situations like this, you will have a maximum of 250ths of a second to synchronize with the flash. More than that and you'll start seeing your curtain on the edge of frame. But wait, there's more. As I've indicated, the Pocket Wizard serves just as a simple switch. And with the appropriate cable that will fit your camera's remote release input, you can fire the camera wirelessly from a distance.